Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Swati Govilkar. I am Ayurvedic practitioner and I am associated with Saifi Hospital. Here I would like to share Ayurvedic methods to boost our immunity in current COVID situation. There are three components. One is food, second is exercise, and third is stress management. Let's talk about food. Eat 50% of your daily intake with fresh vegetables, fruits, and nuts. Eat light at night. It will give your gut proper rest and boost your immunity tremendously. In addition to that, if you can do 12 to 16 hours fasting with liquids will help a lot. Second component is exercise. All of you are confined to home due to work from home situation right now. You can try several exercises at home such as yoga, stretching exercises, walking or jogging in one place, etc. This will increase your blood circulation, cleanse your all body parts and relax your body muscles. It will increase your work efficiency too. Third component, stress management. What is causing stress in this COVID situation? One is fear and of course second is work from home situation. Fear will not help you in this situation of corona. As we are already surrounded with so many varieties of viruses and our body is fighting against them. You can reduce stress levels through proper shavasana, deep breathing and meditation. This will provide you very good sound sleep. Add to this laughter, music and dance will also help. Our ancient Ayurvedic scholars have taught all these methods already. So please follow and stay safe. I wish you all the best. Again, this is Dr. Swati Govilkar and thank you very much for listening me. Hello, I am Dr. Swati Govilkar. I am Ayurvedic practitioner. I am associated with the Center of Alternative Medicine at Saifi Hospital. Today I will be talking about eye care. With the second wave of corona hits India hard, everyone is confined to home with work from home situation. In addition to this increased screen time, the weather changes are also affecting our eyes. Here are some simple steps you can follow to protect your eyes. Splash eyes with clean water when you take breaks from your work. Apply cotton pads soaked in Triphala water or rose water on your eyes 2 to 3 times a day for 5 minutes each. Apply coconut oil and gently massage your eyes with your palms. Wash your eyes with filtered Triphala water. The Triphala eye wash is an age-old Ayurvedic method for protecting our eyes. In this method, you soak Triphala powder overnight, filter it with clean cotton cloth next morning and use it to wash your eyes. Next is cut a leaf of aloe vera, thoroughly wash it, peel it and store the jelly in the freezer. Apply this jelly around your eyes during a day twice. This will give soothing effect to your eyes. The next therapy may come as a surprise to you. This includes applying castor oil or coconut oil to the bottom of your feet before sleeping. This is an excellent method to soothe your eyes, protect them from heat, and strengthening the vision. This therapy is called Padatala Abhyangam in Ayurveda. Next, close your eyes. Pour rose water or Triphala infused water on your eyes for 2 to 5 minutes. This method will relieve the stress on your eye muscles. In addition to this, add ample of fruits and vegetables in your food. Have a smoothie in breakfast with green leafy vegetables and even mangoes. Follow these methods to effectively prevent and minimize your eye fatigue. Also, this will reduce headaches and eye strain. Thank you all. This is Dr. Swati Govilkar.